Have you ever looked at Bitcoin's chart and thought, did I just miss the boat again? The truth is, the next wave of crypto wealth isn't hiding where everyone's looking. It's building quietly behind the scenes, in projects that are undervalued, underexposed, and ready to break out when the market turns bullish again. Today, we're diving deep into the best crypto to buy right now. Not hype coins, not quick pump projects, but solid, high-conviction plays that smart investors are quietly accumulating. Welcome to Cryptolytics, the channel where we decode the market, simplify crypto, and help you invest smarter, not louder. Whether you're new to this space or someone stacking for the long term, this breakdown will help you understand why certain coins outperform others, how to identify strength early, and which projects have real long-term potential. So grab your coffee, because this one's going to change how you think about crypto. Before we jump into specific coins, let's talk about what actually makes a cryptocurrency worth buying. The truth is that most tokens are designed to take your money, not multiply it. But a small percentage, maybe 10%, are built on strong fundamentals, growing ecosystems, and global adoption potential. The real winners share 4 core traits. They solve real problems. They have strong tokenomics with limited supply and real demand. They're supported by active communities, and they're backed by transparent, capable teams. These 4 pillars have built every major crypto success story, from Bitcoin to Ethereum to Solana. Let's start with the king, Bitcoin. You've heard it 1,000 times, but Bitcoin isn't just a store of value. It's a slow-motion monetary revolution. Every time inflation rises or a bank locks withdrawals, Bitcoin gains new believers. While everyone chases quick 10x altcoins, Bitcoin quietly remains the one asset that institutions keep buying. It's not about overnight profit. It's about preserving and growing wealth for the next decade. If you want exposure to crypto's purest narrative, financial independence, Bitcoin is your foundation. Next is Ethereum, the backbone of decentralized finance, NFTs, and smart contracts. Think of Ethereum like the Apple App Store of crypto. Thousands of developers, billions in transaction volume, and non-stop innovation. With Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base, making it faster and cheaper, Ethereum is evolving into the infrastructure for the decentralized internet. Plus, staking rewards now make ETH a yield-generating asset, not just a speculative token. Smart investors see Ethereum as a share in the future of the digital economy. Then comes Solana, the comeback story of the year. After crashes, outages, and the FTX fallout, Solana has returned stronger than ever. It's fast, cheap, and scalable, capable of processing over 65,000 transactions per second at a fraction of a cent. That makes it ideal for real-time applications, NFT projects, and even high-frequency trading. Developers are rebuilding, adoption is growing, and the community is louder than ever. Solana is proving it's not just surviving, it's leading the charge for scalable blockchain innovation. Now let's talk about Chainlink, the quiet giant that connects the crypto world with real-world data. Chainlink powers the data pipelines behind most decentralized finance apps, from price feeds to weather data to real-world APIs. Without Chainlink, DeFi wouldn't function. It's integrated across hundreds of blockchains and exchanges, becoming the invisible backbone of smart contract automation. As more real-world assets and institutions move on-chain, Chainlink's importance only grows. Avalanche is next, and it's one of the most underrated ecosystems in the space. Avalanche's subnet technology allows anyone to build their own blockchain that still connects to the main Avalanche network. That's like every game, DeFi app, or financial institution running its own custom blockchain, but all talking to each other. It's powerful, scalable, and already being adopted in gaming, enterprise, and tokenization sectors. Avalanche is quietly building a multi-chain future. Ethereum scaling is another mega-trend, and that's where Arbitrum shines. It's a Layer 2 scaling network that reduces costs and speeds up Ethereum transactions without sacrificing security. Arbitrum's ecosystem already hosts hundreds of decentralized apps and billions in total value locked. If Ethereum is the city, Arbitrum is the high-speed highway that keeps it running smoothly. It's not a meme coin, it's infrastructure for the next era of blockchain growth. Polygon deserves its own spotlight too. It's become the go-to blockchain for global brands, from Disney to Starbucks to Reddit, using it for NFTs, loyalty systems, and Web3 experiences. With its next evolution, Polygon 2.0, and its new Pole token, it's positioning itself as a major player in Web3 scalability and brand adoption. Polygon's strength isn't just its tech, it's its partnerships. Now, let's shift gears and talk about future-facing projects. Render Network, or RNDR, is one of the most exciting examples of crypto meeting AI. Render connects people who need GPU computing power with those who have it, kind of like Airbnb for computing. As AI adoption skyrockets, Render is providing the infrastructure to support it. It's a decentralized powerhouse at the intersection of crypto, AI, and the metaverse. Finally, ChainGPT, a fusion of AI and blockchain intelligence. This project uses artificial intelligence to generate smart contracts, analyze markets, and assist developers with code. It's bringing AI tools to the crypto world, making blockchain smarter, faster, and more accessible. If you believe AI will transform finance, this is one token worth watching closely. Now let's step back and look at the bigger picture. The best crypto to buy right now isn't about short-term hype. It's about long-term conviction. It's about holding assets that will still matter years from now, not just the ones trending today. Markets rise and fall, narratives shift, but fundamentals like adoption, innovation, and utility always win. The smartest investors don't chase hype. They build conviction, accumulate quietly, and let time do the heavy lifting. Whether you're stacking Bitcoin, loading Ethereum, or positioning in emerging projects like Render or Chainlink, remember this. In crypto, patience pays louder than prediction. If you found value in this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to Cryptolytics, and drop your favorite long-term coin in the comments below. We read every single one. And if you want to discover even more undervalued gems before the rest of the market catches on, check out our next video. It might just change the way you see crypto forever.